bullshittin.
Word of the day is what?
Bullshittin.
What are you not supposed to be doing?
Bullshittin. Bullshit.
My boy Dolph is available. 500 paid in full at 10 spots. That's his intro fee here at the camp. He's been old enough to work. He's going on I think 2 years old. But that's just his intro fee at the camp. Once we knock that 10 out, then his fee will go up to what it should be. But I just want to get some productions on the ground, show y'all what he's capable of. I love Oreo. But I'm thinking, should I have kept one of the other females so now I could take Dolph to her. But I'll just run Oreo to somebody else. I'll be able to run Dolph to Piper and Rain. Won't be able to run him to Gemma. They're both Merles, and you know you can't do Merle to Merle. I had to put my plants up here on the table because the dogs like to destroy them. That's what happened to this. It did look like this a couple months back until Teddy ate it. And I don't think it's going to come back. I think it's gone. These are some watermelons that I planted, just slices of watermelons, and they're growing up like that. It's either a lemon or a lime tree right here, and that's a grapevine right there. And then right here we got some what are they called? Peaches. But yeah, man. Oreo's over here, queen of the chair. That's the dog's chair. I bought it for myself to do the dog breedings with, and I hated it from day one. So it's outside. All right, y'all. I mean, that's pretty much. Just want to give y'all a little update of the dogs since they were outside. Oh shit! It's a rainy day. They've been chilling. They're worried about the neighbor cats. That's all Rain's been worried about the last couple days. She's just focused on cat'll fuck you up, dude. Better chill. Alright, Dogs Day Exotics. Catch y'all later, man. Come on.
Also hard. I'm about to go pro. I almost forgot that I like to floss. When I grow up, I'm gonna be the
Come on.
With my dog, the biggest of the birds. My flow is so cold. The microphone froze.
What are you not supposed to be doing?